Hi there, my name is Anna Goh, also known as Annuendo, and I'm an illustrator. So this is The Explorer by Ng Eng Teng. I've been invited by the Singapore Art Museum to illustrate a comic called The Explorer, which is also inspired by the sculpture with the same name, The Explorer by Ng Eng Teng. It was actually commissioned to commemorate the new millennium and was unveiled at SAM in December 1999. This intergalactic comic draws inspiration from the sculptures moved from SAM to Science Centre Singapore's Kinetic Garden. It took me about a month not only to draw, but to also research about the Explorer and the black-naped Oriole. I like to be inspired by children's illustrations, children's books, with a little bit of an edge, to it. I like to put in a bit of neon colour. So the first time I saw it, it was this bright, bold colour in the trees. I thought it was a canary, but on closer inspection, it has this black eye mask around its eyes. And I looked it up and I found out, oh, it is the black-naped Oriole, and yeah, it is native to Singapore. The message in the comic that I feel is very important was how Shaun, the black-naped Oriole, he was very happy to lend a helping hand to somebody in need. Also in the comic, Shaun embarks on an adventure across our sunny island and meets a strange creature along the way. So scan the QR code to download the comic and find out more about other exciting programs.